guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's wig is 9x6 HD lace closure wig from ISEE Hair. Now this wig already comes with a pre-cut lace. The knots already come bleached, and it comes with this red adjustable headband, and the ear tabs already come cut out. So this is already giving put on and go. It is already giving, girl, you ain't gotta have no skills to throw this wig on. So let's do just that. Let's put the wig on. I instantly knew no lies was told at this moment right here. Look at how the hairline lays on my skin. Look at how the lace blends into my skin. This is the wig with no glue, no spray, no nothing. I literally popped this wig on my head and it is giving growing straight out of my scalp. This is when you know the description information is accurate. This is when you know they did their big one with this design on this wig, which is a M cap design, by the way, y'all. When you are looking for a pretty much put on and go type of wig that's going to give you natural looks, look no further. ISEE Hair understood the assignment and did its big one for sure, because the way this wig gives without any modification. Alright, so like I said earlier, you definitely do not have to put any glue or gel or spray on this wig, like most wigs anyways. But this wig in particular, baby, as you can see, it fits perfectly on my head. I do not really have to add anything, but because I want that extra hold, I'm going to go in with the Eben hairspray, just because it's just a habit of mine. And I'm literally going to push some of those hairs back just to give a more clean hairline look, and then I pull some of the hairs out in the front, and I'll show you guys what I do with this extra hair in the front. So I'll be back. Okay, so I pretty much got the hairline how I want it, which is simple. Pretty much taking advantage of this whole pre-styled hairline look. So I definitely wanted to not do too much to the hairline. So I went on ahead and tied the lace down to make sure the lace blends even more into my skin and give a more secure hold. And right here, I'm just pretty much finger combing the curls just to get out any tangles or snags that may be in the hair. And I'm gonna go through the roots on this wig one more time with a hot comb just to press out the roots. And then we're gonna get into defining the curls. Okay, first of all, if you know, then you know. I'm going to be using the S Curl Jerry Curl Activator to activate the curls on this wig. The S Curl Curl Activator, baby, if you are not using this to define your curls, what are you doing? Seriously. Please go to your local beauty supply store or Sally's and pick this up, because the way it does your curly hair, it's just wicked. Like, it's insane. You need it. Now for this part, because I did not use any glue or gel, I'm going to tie my hair back down, because these little hairs that you see out right here, I'm actually going to pull those out of my lace. And I'm making sure that I pull the hair directly from the roots of the lace so that I don't have any little hairs that stay in this lace. And honestly, I don't know if other people are doing this or if this is something that I just discovered, but personally, it makes your wig look so much better when you pull out sections like that versus going in and cutting off the lace first and then doing your baby hairs, because I'm definitely going to go back in and cut off the extra lace that I had before I pulled out the baby hairs. But I don't know, it might just be me. I think it looks a lot better, and the process was a lot easier. So anyways, I'm going to take me a detangler brush and I'm going to comb out these curls, and I'm going to start with applying the S Curl product on dry hair and just see what it do. Okay, and right here, I just wanted to show you guys how the curl pattern looks close up. Again, I just used the curl activator and a little bit of water. I did not drench my hair because I just did not want a wet head. And I just brushed the hair, and that's what I got. So I'm going to continue defining the curls on this wig, which is just going section by section and using the curl activator. Okay, y'all, so this is what the curl pattern looks like if I wear the mousse versus using the S curl. And as you can see, both defines the curls really well, but one gives the curl a little bit more stretch and doesn't have it looking too tight. So anyways, I'm gonna let the hair dry completely and I'll be back. Alright, and here is the hair at 100% dry. The curls is super duper defined. Honestly, you cannot tell which side is which as far as what product I used. The curls are beautiful, juicy, and defined. And of course, the hairline, the lace, wet lace. So now I'm going to go ahead and fluff out the curls. Okay, y'all, this is pretty much the final look. As you can see, the curls are fluffy and juicy. The hair has a natural look to it. The lace is melted. Like, everything about this wig is perfect, guys. And the simple fact that I did not have to do anything to this wig is even more chef kiss. So yeah, girl, everything will be below in the description bar. Coupon codes, any type of savings will be in that description bar. Make sure you check it out, and thanks for watching today's video. Bye.